Here's how to check which Roku model you have on settings. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the main dashboard of your Roku TV and afterwards navigate yourself to the settings option. What you need to do is to press on that. After pressing the settings option, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the network options. Under the network options, you will click on that and you will see there about, check connection, setup connection, and bandwidth saver. So what you need to do is to click on the about options so that you can see all the information and details from your Roku TV. After clicking on the About options, you will see there the necessary system info or Roku account info. And from there, you will see there what type of model of Roku that you have. So as you can see, you have a Sharp model LC55L B481C. So that is how you check the Roku model that you have based on Roku settings.